So huge news. Today we're announcing the Agital Similarity Score Extension. What it's going to allow you to do is for any given page on your site, you can run your content through and it will embed your content, run it through Google's own models, and then it will actually give you embedding scores or content scoring to see how relevant your content is for a target keyword for any page on your site. So before we talk about the extension, I'm going to talk a little bit more about embeddings and why they're important for SEO. For those that don't know, what embeddings are is for any text, media, video, LLMs will take that, run it through an embedding model, and then actually translate that into a numeric value. So they're taking that media and then actually translating that into numeric values with different dimensions. From there, those numeric values are actually plotted within a vector database. So you can see a very simple example here. Once you've plotted these objects, then what you can do is run what's called cosine similarity. Cosine similarity will measure the distance between any two given points. But now these LLMs have mathematically calculated, hey, how similar are to any two given objects based on where they're at within the vector database. We know LLMs use this, but we also know that search engines like Google use this. If you look at the API leaks, we can see a lot of references when it comes to embeddings. They measure page embeddings, they measure passage embeddings, site-to-vec embeddings, which is a different technology they use. They have a site focus score. They actually have embeddings for your entire site that they reference in these variables. So a lot of evidence to suggest that Google is directly using this too. So back to the extension and why it's important. What it's going to allow you to do is you can go to any page. So here, if I go to Investopedia's mutual funds page, I say, hey, I'm going to use the extension. I would say, hey, I'll optimize this page for the term mutual fund. So type in our target keyword here, let it go. It's going to extract all the text, run it through Google's own technology, and it's actually going to give us a similarity score for the entire page. So now we have a database value of saying, hey, how relevant is this page for the keyword mutual funds? We can do it for our page, and then we can compare against competitors. As well, what it's going to do is it's going to heat map every single section of your site and score it on a 0 through 10 scale. So here I can see, hey, how optimized is my heading for the target keyword? How optimized is the first paragraph? And what you can start going through and seeing is, hey, are there sections that are really well optimized? As well as I go down, are there sections where we could improve an optimization? Hey, in this individual section here, maybe I started going off topic, maybe we need to re-optimize, or maybe we need to even remove because we've got too far outside of the topical area of the page. But now what this extension allows you to do is use actual data to see, is your page optimized for the target query or not? Extremely powerful because we know Google is using embeddings in their ranking algorithms. So we're releasing this as a very early beta. I'm going to have a link in the comments below, and you'll be able to sign up to request access to that. So check that link out. Sign up if you're interested in getting access. We're releasing this to a very early stage of users to help give us some testing ideas, to help give us some feedback on the tool, and allow you to use it yourselves.